Welcome to Pont Neuf Studio. My name is Kristen, and today I will be showing you how to crochet these cleaning scrubbies. To begin, you need Scrubology Scrub It yarn, a 6.5mm crochet hook, scissors, and a darning needle. Make a slip knot and chain 3. Slip stitch into the first chain to create a ring. I like to hold my finger in the middle so that way I don't lose it before I make my first couple stitches. Chain 1 and make 10 half double crochet stitches through the center. Slip stitch into the first stitch to join. For the next round, chain 1 and make a single crochet increase in each stitch around. That just means make 2 single crochet in each stitch. The first round had 10 stitches, so this round will have 20 stitches. The first round was done with half double crochet. Now the second round is done with single crochet. Once you've completed the round and done the 20 single crochet stitches, slip stitch into the top of the first stitch to connect. Be careful not to slip stitch into the chain 1 that you started the row with. To begin your third and final round, chain 1. Make a single crochet increase in the first stitch. This means make 2 single crochet in the first stitch. In the next stitch, make 1 single crochet. Repeat this all the way around. 2 single crochet, then 1 single crochet. Your last stitch will have 1 single crochet. Stay tuned to the end to learn how to make an invisible join to seamlessly finish off your project. If you would like to skip ahead, fast forward to 5 minutes and 13 seconds. To finish your project, cut your yarn and pull the tail through the last stitch. Thread the end through your darning needle. We will now insert your darning needle under the front and back loop of the first stitch. Next, insert your needle through only the back loop of your last stitch. As you can see, this joins the two ends together very nicely. When you weave in your end, be sure not to pull it too tight, as this will compress the invisible joined stitch. If you do that by accident, just gently pull it back out. Your project is complete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe for more crochet tutorials.